What's the meaning of colored? Colored. Colored.
Colored. Colored. The term colored is often used to refer to people who are not white, particularly in historical contexts of segregation and discrimination. The use of this term is now considered outdated and offensive. It was used during the time of racial segregation and racism to identify non-white individuals. However, its usage has since been replaced by more modern, inclusive language that avoids perpetuating harmful stereotypes or prejudices. The term is no longer acceptable and is considered derogatory by many individuals and communities.